so we're making it out for me finally getting the Free Spirit top caps on my Bobber Black. Sun just came out. Don't know where it's been all day, but now it's hot. Essentially, had these for over 2 months now, and it's just taken me forever to get them on, and how easy it actually was to get them on. I'm kind of embarrassed that it took me so long to finally do it, but gonna run through a couple different specs and what my first thoughts are. So yeah, I have a third one because you can see two are on here due to the fact that this one had a little bit of thread imperfections. I bought these from AJ Cycles up in New York and reached out to them, and they were very kind and very helpful and got me another one out. So now they're on. But yeah, so like I've said, I've had these for a while. Compared to the stock one, with this little lip down here, it automatically, with this bottomed out, adds about 2.5 millimeters of extra compression on there. And then if you run these threads all the way down, it's going to add another 9 millimeters. Got out to make this video, ran them just bottomed out, and could already feel a difference. I have 2 full turns on here. You can see that I put a mark on the back of here just so I know when I do full turns. Right now I'm running 2 full turns, so I have 7 millimeters on top instead of 9, and it's actually really nice. When I first got these, I was like, cool, gonna bottom them out, and that's just what it's gonna be because I don't want to put a eliminator kit in here. I love this bike, I plan on keeping it, but for not doing track, having higher handlebars, just cruising around, putting over $1,000 into the front suspension, I was like, it's kind of pricey, plus I can't afford that right now. So yeah, went with these, $200, and I am actually super surprised with how nice they are for not even nearly going halfway yet. So the biggest thing to me was the diving of the bike, going into turns, having to brake either a little bit harder than I thought or hitting bumps that were just way worse than I thought. As you guys can see, rear fender got dented, but the reason why I'm changing my seat is basically to get more of a gap here, not because I don't like the seat, because I actually really think it looks good. So yeah, anyhow, bottoming out of the forks and the diving in turns is what really made me want to upgrade my forks, and gotten a little bit of time on these so far, first thoughts, but yeah, I think these are actually way more worth it than I initially anticipated. So I would definitely recommend these. I'm 6'1", 195 pounds, probably 205-ish riding weight. And yeah, this has definitely helped with diving. It makes going over speed bumps and everything much smoother, much nicer. Clearly, I'm not going to go out and try to hit a gnarly bump because it bottoms out. It's a short travel bike. You got to work with what you have. But I absolutely love this little upgrade, so I would recommend it. Go get yours, support AJ Cycles, or order direct. But yeah, I don't know. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Essentially everything in the forks, they don't have a progressive spring kit for this because it's the 47 millimeter fork, and that's unfortunate, but it just means I had to do less internal work, aka just switching the caps, and it's just super easy. Like, loosen this bolt, took the old one off, put the new one on, retorqued both of these to what they should be, and when I loosen these, I had the front wheel just hanging, put a fork mount in there. This side came off, unscrewed the bottom, got the old one off, new one on. And on this side, it comes without the hole. So this doesn't have the hole. There's just a round shim, which will slide right in this groove around here. And then this side, with it all the way unsprung, just hanging, it's still shot up. So the shim was about an inch out. I personally didn't even take the bars or risers or anything off. I was able to do it with this space right here, but I had to put my body weight on here and get some good cranks around to get it in. But The threads were super smooth, super happy about it. And yeah, if you guys have any questions about these, let me know down below and I'll get back to you. Yeah, this helps you out with what you're gonna order, give me a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next one.